National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Allegheny County in western Maryland, northeastern Monroe County in eastern West Virginia until 5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ridgely to near Bel Air, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Cumberland, Frostburg, Bel Air, Long Vale, Fort Ashby, Lanackening, Ridgely, Crescenttown, Potomac Park, Wiley Ford, Eckhart Mines, Rawlings, Barton, Midland, Midlothian, Woodland, Spring Gap, Patterson Creek, Pinto and Short Gap. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, y'all, it's the weekly test on WDFA. So, this is EAS number 167. Let's hit it.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system on WDFA. This is a test. WDFA is conducting an automated weekly test of the emergency alert system equipment. This test is normally conducted every Saturday at noon, usually in coordination with the Olive Branch weekly siren test. In the event of a real emergency, this system would bring you immediate information stating the event, the affected area, and emergency instruction. WDFA relays alerts for the entire United States via IPAWS Common Alerting Protocol and through the nationwide encoder relay program. For more information about our emergency alert equipment, visit www.wdfaradio.com. This concludes the weekly test of the WDFA emergency...
Yeah, it got cut off.
Northwestern Beltrami County, eastern Pennington County in northwestern Minnesota, northwestern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota until 3:30 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Mavie, or 9 miles northeast of Thief River Falls, moving east at 35 miles per hour. There was another potential tornado near Thief River Falls, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near, maybe around 2:50 p.m. Goodrich around 3 p.m. Espley around 3:10 p.m. Gel around 3:30 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Neosho County in southeastern Kansas until 9:30 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chanute, moving east at 15 miles per hour. You can expect damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chanute, Erie, St. Paul, Stark, Burlington, and Chanute Airport.